Good morning, students. Today we would like to have our discussion, especially on the topics such as AWK, SED, and TR tool there in the Linux operating system. Basically, these are the tools which are used for finding or records particular fields and for translating the words in one format to another format. So let me start here with the very simple tool that is AWK. This tool is used for manipulating the data and for reporting, generating the reports. And sometimes even when the text processing is required, this is the best tool used there in the Linux operating system. So we can do the following task with the AWK. We can define the variables. We can use the operators such as string, arithmetic operators like we use there in the many uh, programming languages there. And we are having the loops, we are having the control flows, and even the special thing which is there with the AWK is about the report generation, which is a very special feature as far as this tool is concerned. So these are the contents which we will have. These are the things which we will have there with the AWK. So the very first thing that appears in our mind is how to use AWK there over the prompt or there over the terminal. So from the command point of view, the use of AWK is very simple. Its syntax is like over the prompt dollar here is shown here. We can use it with AWK followed by options. Then we have to specify the file from where this AWK will perform its job, and rest of the options we can specify as per our requirement. This is one of the examples that we can have there with the AWK showing the default behavior. Like in this example, you can see here we are having AWK print employee.text. So what it will do, as per the syntax which we have seen in the previous slide there, we require a text file or we require a file, computer file on which this AWK will perform its operation. So you can see here we are just having the records of the various employees as well as their designation, the department to which they belong with their salary structure. So you can see here as soon as when we execute this AWK in followed by AWK followed by print, then the name of the file. So what it will do, it will print every line of the data from the specified file. Like here, as I said you that we are having the records there of the various employees. They are stored as the different lines there, different rows there. So all those records will be displayed out when we use the op with a default option, that is print there from the text file implied.txt. So after execution, so This is the output that will appear in front of us. So you can see it. We are having four fields: name, designation, department, and its salary structure there.